it done?
No, it's not done.
Don't overcook it. You overcook it's no good. It defeats its own purpose. What are you doing? I just said don't overcook it. You're overcooking it. Bring it over.
You want your steak?
Bring it over. Bring it over. It's like a piece of charcoal. Bring it over here.
You want your steak?
Yeah, right now.
Good. There's your steak. Can't wait for it to be done.
No, I can't wait.
Good. Okay? Happy? Happy?
That's all I want. That's all I want.
Here. No more. There.
Bothering me about a steak, huh? You bothering me about a steak?
Complain some more. I want to hear. I want to hear. I want to hear.
Called those carrots?
That's right. They were carrots. You ate them. Did you eat them? Did you
I got no choice. I got no choice. I got no choice. I'm gonna get in there. Get in there. I will not fight for you.
What's the matter with you up there, you animals?
What?
Huh?
This son of a bitch is calling me an animal. Hey, you!
Come on, Jack.
I'm gonna get hold of that dog and I'm gonna eat him for lunch. You hear what I'm saying? You hear me, Larry? Larry!
Crazy animal.
Who's an animal? Your mother's an animal, you son of a bitch.
Oh.
You're gonna find your dog dead in the hallway tomorrow, you bum.
Jack.